Okay, guys. So so as I mentioned earlier that in the recent version of Jira 7, there is something called there is a way not to use the Atlas CLI. So as I said, we are not going to touch that. So I'm going uh, to I actually have commented out all the scanners. So there's something called scanner that scans your code, and if there is any change, it redeploys the plugin automatically. So I will talk about that thing later because it kinds of defeats the purpose of understanding the Atlassian plugin.xml. Uh, because if you are working with the previous version of Jira, like 6.x or 5.x, then it's really difficult to. It's I don't think there is a way to use these scanner plugins. So let's use the previous ways of developing the plugins, yeah, even for Jira 7. And after understanding the complete framework, we can use this scanner easily. So I already have commented out. So there are various dependencies that already generated as stuff for with our Atlas create plugin command, right? So you can see that I have commented out all the scanner stuff. So now this is very important. So you need to have the properties. If you are developing it for, let's say Jira 5.x, you need to define the Jira 5 point or something. Let's say it's for 5.04, then you need to have uh, 5.0.4 defined here instead of 7.2.5. So we are developing for 7.2.5. So and the amps version, the test runner version, that list spring scanner version, we are not going to use that. So let's comment out this as well, right? Great. So now we cannot run this. So I would have gone ahead and deployed the plugin, but now I have errors here inside the auto generated code. So it actually requires the scanner class, which we do not have, right? So you have two options. Either you can go ahead and uh, basically uh, uncomment the scanner classes, or you can just delete these files. Let's understand what are there. So my plugin component, my plugin implement. So let's go ahead and uncomment the right. So it is not able to find out these scanner plugins and all. So so as I said, I'm going to use the Atlas debug because it's going to be a continuous development. So what it will do is it will check for all the plugin dependencies, right? So it is failing to identify the scanner version. So we have another command called atlas mvn install, right? So you can see that it's not able to identify that. So there are options, there are ways to fix this, but I'm not going to fix that in this tutorial. We can come back to this later. So just comment out, right? And just delete these files. We do not have to worry about. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So we have this really important file, right? So